I got it. I have just unlocked one way to make money online in 2023, and that is through a platform called Appen. This was our agreement that whatever I unlock, you will unlock. Wherever I make money, you will make money. And if being an independent contractor works for you, I'm going to leave the link so that you can be able to test it and know whether it's something that can work for you. So this is Appen, is one of the sites where you can serve as an independent contractor, where you can do your side gig. And there are lots of opportunities. As you can see, you can join the community, you can apply. But how does it really work? Let's find out. So they have fair, flexible work for everyone. Anybody can do it from any part of the world. So how it works, let's find out how it works, how these flexible work opportunities work. So basically, you sign up to create an account. Then with the account, you can now have access to the opportunities they are available. I signed up, and these are the opportunities I saw. As we agreed when we started, we are doing this together to unlock all the opportunities. So I had to apply for some of the opportunities you're seeing here so that I can be able to prove it to you that it actually works. So I applied for the data collector. We are doing this together. So you click where I click, you visit where I visit, you unlock where I unlock, and together we'll be able to earn income, make money in 2023.